Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the YouTube battery end test in the Mi11X device. So recently friends, I did a video on the PUBG battery end test results as well. So make sure to check that video in case if you want to know how many hours you can actually play the PUBG game. And for that video, I did get a lot of response as well and asking me to do the YouTube battery end test. Plenty of messages I got regarding the YouTube battery end test. So finally, I decided to do this kind of battery end test today itself. So right now the time is about night 10 p.m. close to, and definitely friends, I'll be staying like all night awake for recording this kind of video. So make sure to hit that like button and also make sure to subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to like friends, because I do need a lot of support from you all. So let's see how many hours we can actually play the YouTube videos in this Mi11X device. So I'll be connecting with the Wi-Fi connection during this time and with the 50% brightness and using the Type-C Samsung's earphones. So these are the conditions which I'll be selecting in this entire video. So I'll be first focusing only on the Wi-Fi connections results, and then if you are interested, I can focus on the 4G data as well. So make sure to comment below friends in case if you are interested to know the 4G data results. So definitely I'll do my best to upload the video as soon as possible. So I'm taking all the comments and I'm trying to make all the videos depending on the comments only. So not that just for the sake of making number of videos, I'm not making. For each and every video there is a one comment which has been requested, so that's how I'm making so many videos every day depending on the comments. So right now I'm decreasing the brightness as well to the 50% brightness. So let's see friends how many hours you can actually play YouTube videos non-stop in this phone. So with the 50% brightness and with the Type-C Samsung's earphones. So a lot of people, they did ask me what kind of Type-C earphones I'm using. So these are Samsung's Type-C earphones which I'm using. So I'll be selecting one of my biggest playlist, which is a Poco X3, which has more than 330 videos. So 300 plus videos friends is one of my biggest playlists which are created for any smartphone in my channel. 300 plus videos on the Poco X3. So yes, I did upload I think more than 330 close to. So even there is another mobile phone, Realme X1 Pro as well, with 300 plus. So right now I did decrease the refresh rate to 60 Hz, even though I know the YouTube doesn't support even 120 Hz, but still I just want to show you what are the settings and circumstances I am trying to do this kind of testing, so you know exactly what to expect from this phone. So the YouTube resolution as well, I selected to the maximum quality 1080. So during this time of testing, I'll be just using the maximum 1080 resolution for the entire test. So these results will be there for the entire test continuously friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like as well friends. Definitely I do need a lot of support. So depending on the support only, I will be able to make this many videos in such a short time as possible, even though without sleep, but still a lot of users, they are really interested to know the battery drain particularly, so that they can decide whether to buy the phone or not. So only for them I am trying to make this kind of videos continuously without sleeping. So again, let me be back after 1 hour. So after 1 hour friends, I did record the screen recording at night because there is a power cut during the night time. So that's how I recorded the screen recording. So I thought of showing you the results exactly by using this kind of screen recorder, so you know exactly. So right now, as you can see friends, after 1 hour of playing the YouTube videos, it got decreased to 96%. So this for the first 1 hour. So usually for the first 1 hour, most of the phones, they won't decrease a lot of battery. So it happens for the next second hour and third hours, only then the battery will be decreasing a lot. For the next 2 hours, you can see friends, battery drained up to 86%. So as you can see for the next 1 hour, so for the first 2 hours, 86% got drained. So again friends, after 6 hours of continuously playing the YouTube videos, and this is a time when the power has come back again in the midnight, I did record the video around 4 o'clock. I did keep the alarm, so as you can see, and right now the battery drained up to 52%, as you can see friends. So for 6 hours, 50% brightness I am trying to use continuously, and the time is around 4 o'clock, as you can see, early morning, and it dropped up to 52%. So this for the 6 hours of continuously playing the YouTube videos in this phone using the Type-C earphones only. As you can see friends, clearly the results. So again, I'll be back after a couple of hours. So let's see what will be the results are after a couple of hours. So right now, as you can see friends, after 9 hours of continuously playing the YouTube videos, so let me try to show you what is the battery percentage, how much it is right now. So battery percentage right now it is reached up to 24%, as you can see friends clearly. So it reached up to 24% of the battery. So you can see the graph as well. The graph is continuously down. So I'm not sure about the screen on time and the YouTube numbers. Those are completely different from the testing I'm doing. So all you need to care about only the graph. So graph is continuously going down straight. So that is what you need to care. So some statistics are not accurate in the YouTube and screen on time. So that's why you're getting different results. And after 10 hours of playing the YouTube videos, and the battery decreased to, let me try to show you by increasing brightness, 15%, as you can see here friends. So it decreased to 15% for 10 hours continuously playing the YouTube videos. So let me put back the brightness to the 50%. So as you can see, so this for the 10 hours of playing YouTube videos. And next for 11 hours, right now the time, as you can see, 11 hours and 5 minutes, and finally the battery dropped below 5%. So this is the time when I decided to stop the test, and right now the battery percentage is exactly, I think, 3%, as you can see. So overall for the 11 hours the battery dropped to 2%, as you can see friends, 2%. So for 11 hours I did play continuously the YouTube videos. So overall friends, the Mi11X is capable of playing the YouTube videos continuously without stopping for 11 hours straight. As you can see the graph, which shows continuously a straight line, straight bottom, as you can see, which is a flat, as you can see friends. So 11 hours you can actually play the YouTube videos non-stop without stopping in this Mi11X device. So in the next test I'll try to use the 4G as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and meanwhile stay tuned for my channel for upcoming videos as well on this Mi11X. And in case if you are interested, try to check the playlist as well. That will give you the clear idea about the Mi11X smartphone. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.